we now show you a way to disassemble the new Camry central control. The first step, we first take out this bar. Step 2, take out this protective strip. The third step, take this out, and then take out the air box can be. Now the first step, first pry this out. Then there is a plug in this place. This can be taken out directly. The third step, take this one out. This is the original retrofitted ambient light. Let's remove it. Remove it and remember this color. Remove the air vents. Remove this decorative strip. Remove the air vent panel. There are two plugs at the back. One is for the seat light. This is the emergency light. There are 4 screws inside. Use the number 10 tool to remove it. Remove the plug of this one. This time the whole host can be taken out. Unplug the main unit of the original car. After unplugging, the original main unit can be taken out. Installation is also a special wiring harness. Direct plugging. After removing the original air outlet, snap our bracket to this position. Put the original 2 screws on. After the installation of the base is stuck in this position of the air outlet, then install back. G antenna. This is the navigation antenna. After the panel is installed, we put this harness for functional testing. After the test, tie up the wires. Fix the extra wire harness, wrap it and you are done. At this point, you can install it. After inserting, we have the snap here, and now set back. This time we put this panel to restore. After installing this, put this back, put this on,